Medicines are, one of life's essentials. And in a country as vast and diverse as India, access to reliable healthcare is more important than ever. Pharmacies play a crucial role in making sure that people from all walks of life can get the medicines and health products they need, right when they need them. No matter where you live, from bustling cities to remote villages, the demand for medicines never stops. Pharmacies are often the first point of contact for healthcare in many communities. India is one of the largest producers and consumers of pharmaceuticals in the world, with a rapidly expanding healthcare ecosystem that touches millions of lives every day. At the heart of this system lies the pharmacy business, a venture that not only serves people, but also delivers strong, steady profits year-round, supporting families and communities. Whether it's a local medical store, a chain outlet, or an online pharmacy, opportunities are growing faster than ever, thanks to India's rising healthcare awareness, urbanization, and increasing insurance coverage. If you've ever thought about entering the healthcare or retail space, starting a pharmacy business could be one of the smartest and most impactful moves you can make, for yourself and for society. Here's what we'll cover in today's guide: the target audience for your pharmacy, market research and analysis, with growth data marketing and sales strategy to attract and retain customers, financial planning including setup costs and profit margins, funding and investment options, legal setup and licensing requirements, supporting documents required, and finally, how Market Research Universe, or MRU, can help you plan, launch, and scale your pharmacy business in India. Stick around with us, as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The pharmacy business in India serves a broad and essential audience, making it one of the most resilient sectors. Local communities and patients needing prescription or over-the-counter medicines, hospitals, clinics, and healthcare centers seeking reliable supply chains, e-commerce and telemedicine platforms collaborating with local pharmacies, senior citizens and chronic patients requiring regular medicines and home delivery, and, of course, entrepreneurs and investors looking to franchise or scale retail healthcare ventures. With over 1.4 billion people and growing healthcare needs, India's pharmacy segment offers both stability and long-term growth potential. Market research and analysis. The Indian retail pharmacy market is both vast and expanding rapidly. The Indian pharmacy market is projected to go from USD 24.2 billion in 2025 to USD 37.9 billion by 2032 at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.6%, registering 2032. Key growth drivers include rising lifestyle and chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and cardiac issues, a growing middle-class population, and urban healthcare access, expansion of insurance coverage and digital health platforms, and government healthcare schemes such as Ayushman Bharat and Jan Aushadhi Yojana. Major players in the market are Apollo Pharmacy, MedPlus, NetMeds from Reliance Retail, Tata 1mg, and Pharmacies. With digitalization and home delivery trends, both offline retail outlets and e-pharmacy models are thriving, opening the door for new entrepreneurs to enter. Marketing and sales strategy. Marketing a pharmacy isn't just about visibility, it's about trust, service, and convenience. Here's how you can stand out. First, choose a strategic location, like near hospitals, residential areas, or clinics. Next, stock a balanced mix of branded and generic medicines. Also, offer loyalty programs, discounts, and quick home delivery. Build an online presence through WhatsApp ordering, a basic app, or even a simple website. Oh, and don't forget to partner with telemedicine platforms and local doctors for referrals. For promotion, you can offer free health checkup camps and wellness events, collaborate with diagnostic labs and clinics, and always maintain excellent customer service. People trust pharmacies that care. Use social media to spread awareness on healthcare, vaccination, and preventive medicine. In short, position yourself as a community health partner, not just a store. Financial planning and profit margins. The initial investment for a small to mid-scale pharmacy depends on the format and location. So let's break it down a bit. The estimated setup cost is between 15 and 25 lakhs rupees. That includes shop and interior setup at around 3 to 5 lakhs, initial stock of medicines at 5 to 10 lakhs, licensing and registrations at 1 to 2 lakhs, staff salaries, that's for the pharmacist and assistant, at 2 to 3 lakhs, software, POS, and inventory systems at 1 to 2 lakhs, and finally, marketing and branding at 1 to 2 lakhs. Now, about profit margins. Retail margins range from 15 to 25% on branded drugs and 30 to 40% on generics. With home delivery and value-added services, profits can go even higher. The average break-even period is around 12 to 18 months, depending on your location and scale. Running costs include rent, electricity, staff wages, and restocking, but once you build customer trust, the revenue becomes stable and recurring. Funding and investment option. So starting a pharmacy can actually be financed through multiple channels. For smaller stores, self-funding or even family capital is a common choice. You can also look at bank loans under MSME schemes like Mudra or Stand Up India, which are pretty popular these days. There are also Startup India initiatives specifically for healthcare retail entrepreneurs. And if you're considering a franchise, brands like Apollo or MedPlus offer franchise-based models. For those interested in e-pharmacy or hybrid models, private investors or angel funding could be a good fit. The great thing is, pharmacy businesses are considered low risk because of steady cash flow and essential demand. So, lenders and investors usually find them quite attractive. Company incorporation and legal setup. Compliance is, honestly, just crucial in the pharmacy business. Here's what you'll need. First, you have to register as a private limited company or a proprietorship under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Then, you'll need to obtain a drug license from your state drugs control department. Don't forget to register for GST and UDM, which is for MSMEs. You also need a shop and establishment license. Hiring a registered pharmacist is mandatory for dispensing medicines, and you'll have to ensure proper storage, like air conditioning and refrigeration for certain drugs. Oh, and applying for a trademark for your brand name is definitely a good idea. Just remember, compliance with the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940, is mandatory before you can actually start operations. Supporting documents required. You'll need a bunch of key documents for setup and licensing. So that includes identity and address proof of the owner or directors, a rental agreement or ownership proof of your pharmacy location, the qualification and registration certificate of your pharmacist, and floor plan and storage layout approval. You'll also need to fill out drug license application forms, get GST and MSME certificates, and of course, have your financial projections and business plan ready. How Market Research Universe can help. Starting a pharmacy really does require deep market understanding, compliance knowledge, and strategic execution. And honestly, that's where Market Research Universe, or MRU, can help. Our services include real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reasons that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It is basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. See, your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll, being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh program in market research and business consulting. So till the time, I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I am also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook, reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now, this is the India best and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform, you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course, through this platform, our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform, we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So we have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship, and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to keep continuing with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.